Hey, hey, are you sleeping? You're sleeping. Okay, I think they're asleep. Oh, I've been waiting all day to do this. I've been waiting all day. Ever since you told me that you colored your hair and then sent the photo, I have been practically shaking to get over here. But I couldn't tell you that, obviously. That would be weird. It's just so tasty. Are you awake? No? Okay, good. So good. And it just adds like that extra shine for it. Oh. Really, I could probably find a way to suggest this as like a protein treatment or something, because you know when you color your hair it kind of gets a little dry or scraggly. I just have a feeling this would be like a good way to convince, because it definitely feels a lot better after. Maybe even I could put like a few twists in it, so then that way, if you accidentally wake up, I can maybe play it off and pretend like this is what I was doing the whole time. And maybe like I was trying to get a piece of hair out of my mouth or something, I don't know. See, it's a lot better when I do it with your hair, because with my hair, I feel like it's just a little too curly to do it. And I feel like I put a lot more product in my hair, so I don't want to eat that. I want more hair. Everything about it is just perfect. You are so perfect. But then I can't tell you that when you're awake because then you might think I'm like some sort of freak or something. But I'm so not. It's so hard nowadays to just be a good friend. Everyone thinks you're insane and trying to call the cops on you or put in a restraining order. But I only have your best interest at heart. Though I'll probably have to figure out how to explain how I got in your room. I don't think the twist will suffice because you didn't invite me over here. Maybe I could say you bugged out me. Yeah, that'll work. I do have a key to your apartment, so that should work. After that one time, I kind of made your oven set on fire and then pretended like I was stopping in the area to help. And then you gave me a key because I wasn't able to get in. Oh, it's been perfect ever since. What are friends for, you know? I mean, if I didn't stop by, who would have, you know? My therapist tries to say that obviously maybe the fire department would have stopped by, but not good enough for me. Honestly, I think the green wasn't fully set, so it's honestly perfect that I stopped by because I'm kind of getting a little taste, a little chemically taste, and that's not safe for you. That's not safe for you at all. We might have to take this color out, huh? Look at that. Your hair is knotting up already. Yeah, this is gonna have to go. See, that's why you have someone like me to come and test it out for you. Because what would have happened if some of this color accidentally got in your mouth when you were washing your hair or something? What would you do? You wouldn't have me there. All you'd have is my camera. But it's worth it. Oh, it's so you. That's what makes it perfect. I just love watching you sleep. You seem so peaceful. You're not awake, are you? That would have been weird. But honestly, if you were awake, then that might just confirm that you actually like this. In which case, I'd probably consider you the weird one. Wish I could get your eyebrows too, but that's too much. That'll be over cute. Maybe just a little more right here. Oh. Just get these little ends. Wow. Outstanding. Oh. Okay. Hey. Sorry, I didn't mean to bother you. I just wanted to brush your hair a little bit. I got a call from you like 20 minutes ago. You didn't call me? No, I know you're sleeping, but I just thought you wanted me to nap with you or something. I just figured you were tired and wanted a friend, so I just came over here. Yeah, no, I was just brushing your hair. Yeah, just a little brush. You didn't put anything on your hair, so I just wanted to make sure it was nice and voluminous when you woke up. Yeah, that's all. It's a little damp. I'm not gonna lie. It was a little cold when I came in earlier, so I did kind of turn the AC off. I actually turned the heat on. It's December now, so you might have started sweating in your sleep a little bit. Yeah, it's a little damp. Yeah. Just go back to sleep.